Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, April 15th, and we're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the SPY, IWM, and Triple Q's ETFs. And, we spoke about this last night, knowing your competition and what was going on and what exactly happened yesterday. And we talked about how when we made a new low yesterday, even though we stopped the one-time framing up in the daily after 12 days, no buyers really got nervous. Yesterday's buyers flushed out an eye, but nobody started getting nervous. We got no distance, no acceleration below yesterday's low. And I clearly said on the room and in last night's video, all this was in J through M and N was shorts pushing down. And we said, well, if we open below A's low, shorts are still going to be okay. So we open back into the initial balance, but basically change took place yesterday. And what's going to happen? Shorts are going to run for cover. And that's exactly what they're doing this morning. As we were right back. Remember I said we had a 9-wide POC in both SPY and IWM? You could have gone down $100 yesterday and it wouldn't have been lowered. I said that's something you don't take lightly. Look where we are. It was going to be an upside destination. Now with 75 minutes to go, it might become a downside destination. That, my friends, is market-generated information, which 99% of traders have no idea about. So again, knowing your competition, what the market's doing and what it's not doing, just as importantly, is something that you need to understand. All right, destinations and a game plan. Well, right now, as we're speaking, we're making new highs in the pre-market. Right now I'm going to use 413.29, 9 wide. If we open above it, then it will be a downside destination for our 9-wide POC. Then we have 413.57, which was going to be our afternoon rally high. 413.69 for now is our pre-market high, and 413.96 is yesterday's all-time high. For the downside, again, if we open above the POC, then 413.29 becomes your first downside destination. Then we don't have anything until our pre-market low, 411.45. And then we have yesterday's low, which remember is a poor low, 410.87, 410.20 daily low, and I gave a bunch of other lows in last night's video. So game plan for this morning. Well, right now with 75 minutes to go, volume very light, only 319,000. And by the way, even though we had some decent moves yesterday, especially in the afternoon, yesterday's volume was only 61.6 million. So that's 7 days in a row where the most we've done is, I believe, 62 million shares. Yep, 62 million. So volume is still an issue. Still an issue. Game plan for this morning, in balance, in value, worst of your risk rewards for now. So again, if we're to open towards the upper end of the range, the SPY and ES have a habit of not wanting to take out the daily high right away. You can take a short against the all-time high. Any acceptance above it, and you're out of that trade. In the next 75 minutes, if we gap higher, then that short plays out the window. In the next 75 minutes, if we sell off and open below A's low, well, then that's where change took place. And again, you could use it to lean against. In acceptance back into A, I'm then out. As far as call plays go, in the next 75 minutes, if you gap higher, and it's not a gap of more than $1, you can take a long play out if the gap fills. If, however, we open, push down, hold now where A's low was, where change took place, you could take a long against it. Now remember, you're in balance in value. It is the worst of the risk reward. But you can take that play. I'd be out with any acceptance back into J's range from yesterday. These are all early plays. Again, you get this profile live streaming all day at CamelbackTrading.org with me on voice, guiding you and telling you how the market is forming. Basically the same plan in Russell as SPY, as they're above their POC, so basically the same scenario. Triple Qs, they have the afternoon rally high at G also. Look where they're trading. So again, if you'd open below G's high, you can take a short against that in Qs. Get above it, out. Actually the same in SPY. In the next 75 minutes, we open below that afternoon rally high, you can take a short against it. Out if you get accepted above it. And then on the chart, Just going to show you the daily in the SPY. We'll recap them all tomorrow night. So we came into balance finally. We stopped the one-time framing up. So now, right, markets don't go bull bear. So we went bull, we're balanced. Well, if we take out yesterday's low and get acceptance below it at some point, then you can say we turn bear in the daily. If, however, we trade just inside of the last 2 days range, it's still balanced. Or if we take out yesterday's high and start getting acceptance, we're going right back to what we've been doing, which is bull, balance, bull, balance, bull, balance, and then bull. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.